Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. And we have several ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons, so we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After, if you want, you can edit here the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time. Take the power button and the volume down button, just press it for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, then you are able to draw something here inside, or you can highlight something if you want. Or here at the corners, what is very nice, you can crop even a part of the screenshot. Very nice if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part here over the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot. For that, you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm. You can do it also from the other side now. Swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And of course, you can take also screenshots here with your S Pen. For that, just tap here to have the S Pen Mini, tap on screen right, and you're having here a screenshot as well. Now, after you can draw something here inside with your pen, and then don't forget to tap here on the arrow to have it at your gallery. If you tap here on the pen, then you have also the option Smart Select. Pretty nice, because with that, you can crop directly here a part of your screen. Don't forget to tap on the arrow, and then it is part of your gallery. Here at the gallery, where are your screenshots? Of course, here at the gallery. And here, the pictures, they are mixed up with your camera, photos, and videos. So this is why I recommend to you to always go here to the hamburger menu, and we have here the point albums. And the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or if you want, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.